Matregenix is a global leader in nanofiber technologies, offering highly tunable nanofiber materials adaptable to the customized use in a wide range of industrial applications.
Our core technology is called electrospinning. By using that platform technology, we try to accomplish our vision, which is becoming a leading contract manufacturing and R&D development for nanofiber services.
I personally have dedicated the past 20 years, which constitutes half of my life, to researching nanofiber technology. Despite significant potential and the extensive research and innovation within this field, the lack of production infrastructure in the US really remains a critical barrier to the industry's growth and advancement. At Matregenix, we are driven to transform this situation. We're committed to facilitating the translation of nanofiber innovations into scalable products, and to this end, we have developed electrospinning machines ranging from lab scale to industrial scale, incorporating new technology that has been proven effective for large-scale commercial production.